Oh boy, if you dey follow 90-day fiancé, you go know say this story when I dey bring so Michael, only person wey deserve a green card and a divorce in Nigeria. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI channel 1+. I'm your girl Bella. Omo, on this one, you see say you get some marriage where person go divorce, the person you go dey party, you dey happy. Anyway, Sha, I don't need to say much about this thing. Take a look at this video and see how Michael endured Angela. Oh boy, Michael endured Angela and finally got his green card and his divorce papers. Watch this video.
I'm divorced. This is the paperwork. Yeah, that's the total there. I'm right here in Hastings, Georgia, and I want to say a big thank you to everyone for the love and support. You know, it hasn't been a easy journey. I want to say a big thank you to everybody. God bless you all. I'm officially divorced. Thank you, Father Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Single life, here I come. Thank you. Shout out to you, my cause. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Officially divorced.
Danny, how are you? Danny. Come on in. Hello. Come have a seat, Mama.
Okay.
Okay, have a seat. So,
Yes.
Michael's been cooking. Michael's got to cook for me.
Angela, when times comes, you will learn how to cook our dishes, Abby.
I cook one or two. I don't have time to cook. Bye, Whitney. I'm back. Bye, Whitney, Mama.
Yeah, cool.
Welcome, baby.
Let's get Mama fed. Look, Mama, try this. This is American. Try. Give her a piece of pizza.
My lawful husband.
To be my lawful husband.
To love and to obey. To
What?
love and to obey.
What?
Yes, to love and to obey.
Obey what?
Obey your
love.
And
husband.
obey who? What did he just say?
You don't see the video, say Michael, me when I was watching the show, because if you dey follow the show, I was rooting for Michael because I know in my mind, in my heart, say no how this marriage you know go last. Michael is the only person that deserve a green card and a divorce. You see, say person divorce person, they happy. You get some relationship where you go day, you go end, you go on do party. Obviously Michael was in a very toxic and abusive relationship. See, anyway, make I shift to another angle. We know, myself, I know say Michael know the reason that woman. Waiting Michael the reason be say like the green card, now Michael the reason. And Michael don't finally get the green card. You see why endurance is good. At some point, you go one flinch, you get to watch the show, you go see say as Angela they talk to Michael anyhow. Even Angela they abuse Michael family, but the guy know in his mind, hi, just to japa, they were porn over that. You see, waiting bad government they do person. You go they take sheets from person, you go they take sheets for who you know rates. Tell me why Michael go they rate that lady. Five girls, it don't finish for Nigeria, but you know the reason those ones. Guy man, the reason American passports, but you don't finally get them. Endurance is good though. Person wey divorce, they happy. Nigerian self fans they follow him, they happy as they end the relationship. Bata the whole thing. You don't make guy man go stay well, marry who in wants. Because how can a guy man? You see say how Angela they talk to Michael anyhow. It's another eye opener for people. You go to date person, you know go rate the person. You go just they treat person anyhow. Because we all know that inside Michael's mind, everly Michael later at some point said Michael vanish. Angela they find him. He vanished. They find him for some time. Even when they were exchanging the vows, he said to love and to obey. This one say no. You know one talk obey. You know one talk obey. Guy man say okay, no wahala. Where would they go now? Who go they go? No be relationship with they. Where would they go? This is why you need to rate person. Know how. You don't know what is inside somebody's mind. Even if they sleep together inside one bed, you know waiting they inside person mind. Because we know say Michael as in leg touch the United States of America. You know say later you go get papers. You say okay, no wahala. Angela, they do your thing now. No how everly I go get this paper now. You don't finally get the paper. Abusive relationship, it don't end. Somebody somewhere you know go they rate your partner. They there now. They see and finish. Michael, you don't finally become American citizen. Just like that. If you like, no rate your partner, no rate your babe, no rate your guy man. Dey there.